But I tell you what, I'll give you a little warning. You killed your last man when you killed Dr. King. You will not get that chance to do that to me. And if it pleases God that you do kill me right after you kill me, all of you gonna die. Because I'm not here by myself. I'm not here of myself. You can see that God must be backing me. Otherwise, where would I get the strength to say and do what I do? No, man, it's our time now. And it's their time to tremble in your boots. And believe me, you will meet the God that backs me.
Aka na handi, ta na fada. Akata no be loss, soul or ships, slave. Akata, akachi na father, God, handi, sheep, slave. Akata, akachi, akata, osu, him na uwari, shi okame, osu, word na horse, ozu, asusu, sauce, os, osu, osu, osubano, 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 osubano na husband. Also, igbosu, warriorsu, its, okame na osu. Ostia na Latin. Osia ya na he. Osti be father, God. Ostia na he father, God. Ostia later called as Osita, then Latin by the now European. Unnaitoli na nai father. Nai father na okamen orata. Ostia mommy mu mi ikem